Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy J5 2017 SM-J530F. Okay, to do it we need to open up our settings and we need to be connected into Wi-Fi. So go into connections, enable the Wi-Fi and select your network, and you need to be connected. If you are, go back. Scroll all the way down until you find About Phone. Now go into Software Information, and in here we have our build number. We need to tap on it a few times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back, scroll down, click Developer Options, and in here we have OEM unlocking. And we just need to disable it. Just like that. Okay, it says restart this phone to use device protection features. So to do it, hold power button and select restart. Tap once again. And now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on again. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.